Staff absences forcing the cancellation of in-person learning at 10 Columbus City schools today. It comes at a time when COVID cases are reaching record levels. Hospitalizations among kids have increased over the past week. Chief investigative reporter Bennett Haberly joins us live now with more on this. Bennett.
Andrew, you mentioned those 10 schools that moved to remote learning. In addition to that, the district tells me there were other schools today that also had staffing challenges, a number of call-offs. The district says they were able in those circumstances to shuffle some staff around despite the challenges it presents to both teachers and the students. And all these changes are happening as everyone is returning from winter break. In-person learning was canceled Monday at Berwick. The same was true at Eastmoor Academy. These were 2 of the 10 schools whose students were forced to learn from home due to a high number of staff absences. Columbus City Schools would not provide someone to speak on camera about these changes, but in an email, a spokeswoman said there is no formula or number considered when making the decision to transition to remote learning, adding that the district looks at the type of staffing that is calling off and what substitutes or coverage is available. But staffing isn't the only current concern.
I think one of the things that we're trying to focus on is what's on the horizon. And one of the big elements, the big wild card is schools reopening and classes resuming, and what that could entail in the coming weeks with community spread that could be occurring in our schools. Kids bringing it in, kids bringing it out.
John Palmer's with the Ohio Hospital Association. He points to increasing numbers of COVID hospitalizations among children ages 0 to 17, which was up nearly 70% between December 20th and the 27th. It's why his association sent a letter to Governor DeWine's administration urging schools to require masks.
It's just an unfortunate situation we don't want to be in, but if we want to get out of this and we want to make sure that we're reducing spread and not creating surges or outbreaks, those are the resources and the preventative measures that we have in place.
And Columbus City Schools also tells me that they keep in close touch with Columbus Public Health when trying to make some of these COVID-19 related decisions. We also checked out with some of the other districts in our area. A lot of them were not reporting any changes right now, but we know this situation obviously can change by the day or by the week. You want to stay abreast of all this? Tune into our website at 10tv.com. Reporting live downtown, Bennett Haberly, 10TV News.